First put the base color. I used the special pen and selected lasso fill. Add another layer above the base colorant. Start drawing stance with the Fade Watercolor Opaque brush. Make the strands a bit lighter than the base color. Draw the strands following the flow of the hair. Select the oil paintbrush. I found this brush online. On the same layer, draw strands darker than the base color. You can draw strands that area opposite to the flow of the air. This is optional. You can add highlights with special pen and select lasso fill. Draw small and slim highlights with the color lighter than the first light strand. This too is optional. You can add a Gaussian blur to highlights. You can also lower the opacity of highlights to your liking. Add another layer and select hairbrush, also found online. Draw strands near hard edge with the color matching gradients of the hair. These are all the brushes I use by the way. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.